Hi, Red Friends. It's me coming from my living room for a change. Um, I have made a very minor change as far as what I put in the description of my videos. Instead of keyboarding out the entire recipe an additional time, because it'll be on the website in the description like I've done all this time with all of my videos, I am providing a quick click direct link to the PDF of the recipe. Super easy. You just click and the recipe opens up, and then you can do Control P or print or whatever and print it or download it or just look at it. And that way I'm not doing double duty, and actually it'll look so much better and be easier for you, because if you just want to take a quick view to see what the ingredients are, which, I mean, I tell you in the video, but to see what the amounts are or whatever, you just click on the link. If you want to print it, you just click on the link. If you want to download it to your computer, you just click on the link. It's a win-win for me. I don't have to put all that in the description, and you don't have to try to copy and paste something that doesn't retain formatting. So that is the new way. I hope you're all okay with it. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns.